Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So we have to say here very clearly that the size of this move down is really concerning to the overall bullish thesis that I presented here to you. Yeah. So we have to interpret this correctly. There are two things here to watch out for. One is two things to make you aware of. One thing is that XRP generally is a very volatile cryptocurrency. I did talk about that before when XRP moved up here very strongly, then came down to the 50% retracement. That would have been a perfect retracement for such a correction, because it could have been just here from the low, a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down. This could theoretically still be a wave 4, but it's not. Theoretically, you know, what you find in textbooks is that a wave 4 can come down, you know, into the region of the wave. You know, it can come down basically as much as it wants, unless it breaks the wave 1 target area. Now, this is the wave 1 area here, and you can see that at 33.7 cents. Well, it found support exactly here, but this is just totally unrealistic that this is still a wave 4. A wave 4 would normally not retrace more than the 50% fib retracement. If it does, then it is just very likely, and it even broke the 61.8. Yeah. So here at 34.4 cents. So this just makes it very likely that this here, yeah, what we have here, indeed was a wave 1. Yeah. But let's just do that as a here, just a wave 1. Make that a bit to differentiate them, yeah. This then a wave 2, but the size and the depth of that correction down just makes it very likely that this here then was just a wave 1 again, yeah. So we had here basically a 1-2 setup, 1-2, here another 1-2. And a few people have asked me, how do you differentiate between, let's say, a 1-2 and a 3-4? Very clearly here, yeah, we moved up in a wave 1, impulsive move up, we came down in a wave 2. That's all fine. You would then here naturally assume this is a wave 3 because it came up to the 1.618 extension. Yeah, we reached that target area perfectly. Then we came down too much. Yeah, and if you come down too much for a wave 4, it just makes sense that it then is just another 1-2. So 1-2 here, and this also a 1-2. From here then though, the price must not drop below the 31.8 cent level. If it does, I think we have to be very, very careful that this is not going to roll over and we're going to make lower lows. Yeah. So a drop below this swing low at 31.8 cents would for me make it much more likely that we're still going to go down lower. Yeah? For now, we can still count this bullish 1-2, 1-2, which is fine. Yeah. But now the next step would then have to be that would then have to be a wave 3, and it would be this wave 3 here in orange. Oops. By the way, this is also not an ABC anymore. It's a WXY. But not too relevant now. So this would then need to be the wave 3, the next one. And someone asked me, if you have two 1-2 setups, 1-2, 1-2, how would you calculate then the target for the wave 3? Would you take this 1-2 setup or this one? No, you take this one, yeah, the orange one. Basically, because before you can look at the white wave 3, you first have to now complete the lower level ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When that 5th wave in orange is complete, that would be the 3rd wave in white. Okay. So here we can calculate a target based on the assumption, okay, maybe we are finished here now, and we should be finished ideally, because if not, then we are going to go into the price area of wave 1. Now, again, that is not a problem if it's a wave 2, but still from a bullish thesis point of view, it would be very helpful if we could hold the wave 1 high, or at least not get below it substantially. So let's calculate here wave 3 target based on where wave 2 ended for now. Yeah, it doesn't mean it needs to end here, but that would then take us to 45 cents in the wave 3. which would again be bullish. But for that, it would now need to move higher. Yeah, it could maybe, move a little bit lower, just purely based on the Fibonacci retracement levels. Because if we do that and take the Fib retracements, an ideal retracement here would now be, because we already broke below the 61.8 at 34.4 cents, the next likely Fib level would then be the 33.3 cent level. So here it should at the latest turn around back to the upside, okay? And if not, then it will just slowly get unlikely that we are here still in a bullish breakout scenario, and it could then very well just be a corrective arrangement. All of this here being a correction, and we then will move down once more and make lower lows, unfortunately. Yeah? And again, here for XRP as well, there are critical levels that need to be overcome. I made you aware here, for example, of the 50-day moving average that we haven't even broken. That would be a good indication that we get back into an uptrend. And the wave E high here from the 7th of June, we haven't even broken that. That would also be a very significant structural level, because this would be a previous wave 4 high, and they are always very relevant. Yeah, and that is my view here about XRP at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.